Viewers and subscribers, wagwan, hope everything good, hope everything airy. Now in this video, I come to talk about the little incident that going down away. Negril a couple days ago, where a motorist used his motor car to mow down two bikers who either made attempts to rob him or kill him. Now people, before I go to my little 2 cents on the incident there, I remind the persons that want to subscribe to the channel as yet to just do so now. People, it is very simple. Just click the little red subscribe button and turn the post notification on. So that's when we drop a video, when we get them first. And the next reason why you need to subscribe to my channel is that in my next video, I will be giving away some credit. So people, subscribe now because you just might be the lucky person. Or go watch the video first and get the credit. Run go over Instagram, go follow me at Jamaican Drama 1. You don't know the ships go. Now watch a short clip here, then we chat after.
Anybody touch gun, no problem. Him can't take up, him can't come, no gun. You are dead in my blood clot. Look, dead in my body. You are dead. You are dead, you fucker, you. You try to kill somebody, you are dead if you dead.
Yo, there's somebody else kick my gun.
Kick where his gun, man. Police gun, take you.
Don't trouble it, make it stay there. Can't trouble it. Yeah, pity saying come in here, so.
Alright viewers, so basically what take place in this video we just watch. The driver of the white Toyota look like a Crown or a Mark X. I'll go about in business on the road when him realize one biker tail him. So being a well-thinking person, the driver, become paranoid and start pay attention to the bikers them. When him realize the pillion pull a firearm and a point upon the car. So the driver goes a boom, mash him brakes and make the bike end up in front of him, then just run the car over them. Mash them up. One of them, the one you seen in the video on the ground, he broke up bad. His arm broke must about 7 different places. His skull crack. What if things happened to him? The other one escaped from the scene, however, he turned up at the hospital with serious injuries also. So now the two of them, the hospital, in a serious condition under police guard. The gun was recovered, other that the bike recovered. So even though the man car mash up, he is very much alive and well, and in good the woman now reflect and spend time with him family, and I think gonna say boy look when could drop out. So we're glad if you know say that case, he's alive and well, and the criminals are where they are to be. Alright, so this is my take on the whole incident now. Right now I want to big up the driver of the car there, you understand? And the reason why I have to big up the driver of people, I say yo, I saw people for brave. A full time we start fight back. A full time we take the fight to the criminals them. Because too often when gun boy or common boy wall up people with us, take it and make them do whatever they want to do, rob and do whatever, kill other people them innocently most of the times. So a full time now for the citizens them fight back. I mean, you can't be fearful every day as it now go stop. Boy, if you know say, listen man, if them think they're gonna do a robbery or think they're gonna hurt somebody, them supposed to consider long and hard. It not be that simple. So I say, I have to big up the driver of this car because the man do what he have to do to protect his life and to ensure say in there for him family today. I all hope say them will give him a national award for bravery because people trust me. On a regular, you see them things happen. You get me and say, I'm telling you something man. I know say the risk is still on it, dangerous but if you check the stats, majority of the time when you see somebody challenge a gunman, you understand? Whether it be a licensed firearm holder or whether it be just a regular man with a stone or a stick or him and them, most of the time the gunman them done menke because them not expect say, yo, you go challenge them or you go retaliate. You understand? So most of the time when you challenge them, I tell you say them turn idiot because that was not expected. Because them feel so powerful so them have the gun, so them feel like say them conquer you and you do whatever them want you to do. So some of the time people we have to just fight back man. We can't just sit down and make criminals take over the whole country. We can't go nowhere. If we're going nowhere we have to look over our shoulder every minute. No man a full time the citizens of Jamaica take a stance against, the acts of crime and violence you are going. They are turn plague on the citizens of Jamaica. You get me? I say we can't depend on the police alone. You get me? I say police can't be everywhere. So they boy them out there and them have, for them thing, them circle, them gang with them even them intelligence probably even better than the police them sometime. So we have to do what we have to do for safeguard ourselves and our family, people, because you them in the street and the bike man them, Jesus Christ, people. Listen man, wherever you up on the road and you see a bike or you hear a bike come off your phone, tap walk one down with the earpiece now the ears and look around because most of the time, most of the things that are going right now in the country, a bike man a do it, robbery, murder, shooting, all them things there. So we have to be responsible persons now without up on the street and know, so listen, when you do out there, you be vigilant and you look around and look out because the bike boy them a pull off robberies at the banks, at the ATMs, them a do murders in a middle day in a traffic because the bike them can get to it. Them can escape quickly. So people, if you are walk or if you are driving and hear a bike, no fight time you hear the bike because the muffler them loud. You get me say? So if you hear a bike come, you just try, be on your guard and look out to the other passer or whatever. But look out for the bike people and people because them out there, them have them crew, but them them go out and them do them robberies and them do them crime for fund them crew for buy them guns and ammunition. So people, we have to do what we have to do to protect ourselves sometime too. Help out the police and the last of all of them and make we try to make Jamaica more safer. So this is my little 2 points on the whole incident, and you don't know so now it's free for butt in and why for the butt thing. If you drop in and go, give your local feedback, make we hear your views and your opinions and we can talk about it. Remember to like and share the video, please people, and remember to subscribe, please. So as I say in my next video, I'll give you some credit. So make sure you subscribe so you can watch the video there. So maybe you can get the credit, people. So until next time, I beg you, please stay safe and walk good. One love.